Good morning, children. How are you all? Yes, I'm doing good. So, what are we going to see today? We are going to see the different types of houses. Yes, it's little bit, you will like this topic. Can we go into topic? Yes, here we go. So, first, we are going to see about Kacha house. So, before that, I want you to ask a question. Why do we need a house? Yes, you all right. We all need a house to live in with our family. So, our house protect us from all kind of dangers means if you don't have a house, if weather is wild and it's raining, you'll get wet. So likewise, each and every danger has been protected by our house and it keeps us safe. Like food, we also need a shelter. So, we have a shelter called house to live in. Now, we are going to see different kinds of houses. In that, first we are going to see about Kacha house. Repeat, Kacha house. So, what is Kacha house? Kacha house is made up of mud, wood, straw. Straw, you know, right? No, dried leaves of a coconut or some coconut plant or something has been converted into straw and we are used to make a house. So, the roof of these types of house is called as thatched roof. What is that? Thatched roof. Thatched. Thatched roof. Since it's made up of mud, straw, it is not very strong. When we have storm or something, it will come off, the house will go off. So these kind of houses are not very strong. So you can see these types of houses mostly in villages. In villages, you can see these types of houses. So, what did we see now? We saw about Kacha house. We saw about Kacha house. So, what is Kacha house? It is made up of straw, mud, and wood. The roof of it is called as thatched roof. And these types of houses are not very strong. Now we are going to see about Pakka house. What are we going to see? Pakka house. So what is Pakka house? So these houses are made up of bricks, cement, steel and stones. Yes, we have seen many constructions, right? When we come to school, when you go out for something, you can see few constructions where they will building the house. So these types of houses are made up of bricks, cement, steel and stone. Since it is made up of brick, cement, steel and stones, these types of houses are very strong. These types of houses are very strong. Yes, we live in Pakka houses. Yes, you're right. We all living in Pakka houses. So these types of houses can be seen in towns and cities. So we are in Chennai now. So this is a city. So these types of Pakka houses has been seen in cities. So what did we see now? We saw about Pakka houses. So what is Pakka house? Which is made up of bricks, cement, steel and stones. And these types of houses are very strong. Now we are going to see about other few houses such as duplex house, skyscraper, apartment and bungalow. So what is duplex house? Duplex house is nothing but it's also a house from no in which stairs will be inside the home. So stairs, you know what are stairs, right? Stairs will be inside a home. Duplex means two. So you can see a floor at down and first floor at up. So that is called as a duplex house. A skyscraper is nothing but it's a big type of apartment where you have 30 minimum it's from 15 to 30 floors. So it's a huge apartment. When you take apartment it will have max to 5 to 6 floors with 3 to house 4 houses in a floor. But when you take skyscrapers they have 15 to 30 floors. Okay, and it will also have 6 to 7 houses in a floor. And the last is bungalow. You know what is bungalow? It's a big house where you can have a small garden, a swimming pool, everything it will be there. So it's also a house, it's a pakka house and it will be of a big one. That is called as a bungalow. Now we are going to see about igloo. So what is igloo? Igloo is nothing but it's a kind of house which is made up of ice, which is made up of ice, blocks of ice. We cannot have seen this type of house no in near your home or something because it is seen only in the place where we have snow all through the year. Okay, we have snow all through the year where the sunlight is minimum, hence the ice will not get melt. So these type of houses is found in places where we have snow all through the year. And how it is igloo made up of? Igloo is made up of ice, blocks of ice. Example, Arctic. Arctic means it's a place, Arctic Ocean. So that place will be very cool where the coolness will be very how to say, it have a minus degree. Okay, it will be very 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 cool place. It's called as an Arctic. So in Arctic places you will find these igloos. Good morning children, how are you all? Yes, I'm doing good. So what are we going to see today? We are going to see the different types of houses. Yes, it's little bit, you will like this topic. Can we go into topic? Yes, here we go. Now we are going to see about stilt house. What is this? Stilt. S-T-I-L-T. S-T-I-L-T. Stilt house. So what is stilt house? It is found in a place where it rains a lot. Where it rains a lot. It is made up of wood, sticks and poles. Poles means a huge stick like thing which is made up of wood. Okay, these types of houses are made up of sticks or poles. This is called as stilt house. It is mostly built in the region where they have lots of water. Okay, a house a house above the water. So usually these type of houses it found in the place where it rains a lot. Example, in India we have Kashmir. In Kashmir you can see these types of houses, and these houses are called as stilt house. What is this? Stilt. S-T-I-L-T. Stilt house. Now we are going to see about Pakka house. What are we going to see? Pakka house. So what is Pakka house? So these houses are made up of bricks, cement, steel and stones. Yes, we have seen many constructions, right? When we come to school, when you go out for something, you can see few constructions where they will building the house. So these types of houses are made up of bricks, cement, steel and stone. Since it is made up of brick, cement, steel and stones, these types of houses are very strong. These types of houses are very strong. Yes, we live in Pakka houses. Yes, you're right. We all living in Pakka houses. So these types of houses can be seen in towns and cities. So we are in Chennai now. So this is a city. So these types of Pakka houses has been seen in cities. So what did we see now? We saw about Pakka houses. So what is Pakka house? Which is made up of bricks, cement, steel and stones. And these types of houses are very strong. So last topic in this is roof. So what is roof? We all know what is roof, which is there above. Yes, we have two kinds of roof. One will be like a slide, okay, and one will be flat. Why we have a slide type of roof is in places like America and other places, the snow will be more. If it is flat place, if it is flat roof, what will happen is all snow will accumulate means it will all, if snow comes, no, it will not, it cannot come down, it's all stay there itself, it will all stay there. So if you have a slopy roof like a slide roof, the snow will slide down. Okay, the snow will slide down. So that's why we have two types of roof. One is slide roof and next one is flat roof. So when we take our houses, we have a flat roof. That's because we doesn't have snow here. Even it rains, we have a pipe to make sure the rainwater will go and accumulate somewhere. So houses, where the place it rains a lot or the snow is more, in those places we can see the sliding roof, that is called as a sloping roof. So we have two kinds of roof. One is flat roof and next one is slopy roof. Children, I want you all to repeat the words. The first one is kacha house. Kacha house. What is the spelling of kacha? K-U-C-H-C-H-A. Kacha. K-U-C-H-C-H-A. Kacha. Kacha house. Kacha house. H-O-U-S-E. Kacha house. Second is pakka. P-U-C-C-A. Pakka. P-U-C-C-A. Pakka house. Pakka house. P-U-C-C-A. Pakka. Third is third is thatched. Third is thatched. T-H-A-T-C-H-E-D. Thatched. T-H-A-T-C-H-E-D. Thatched. Shelter. S-H-E-L-T-E-R. Shelter. S-H-E-L-T-E-R. Shelter. Fifth is skyscrapers. S-K-Y. Sky. Scrapers. S-C-R-A-P-E-R-S. Scrapers. Next is bungalow. B-U-N-G-A-L-O-W. Bungalow. Next is stilt house. S-T-I-L-T. Stilt. S-T-I-L-T. Stilt house. H-O-U-S-E. House. Next is igloo. I-G-L-O-O. Igloo. I-G-L-O-O. Igloo. Next is temporary house. T-E-M-P-O-R-A-R-Y. Temporary house. H-O-U-S-E. House. Next is permanent house. P-E-R-M-A-N-E-N-T. Permanent house. H-O-U-S-E. House. So now that we have seen about kinds of house and types of house. So children, I'll provide you the learning material for this lesson. copy that in your classwork side, that is front side of your notebook, and complete your book bag exercises. You have matched the rows and true or false. I want you all to complete it. Okay, we'll meet with a different topic in our next class. Okay, thank you children. Bye bye, take care.